Good morning, hope everybody's well. Quick background. I built this bird room about 2 years ago when we were planning to stay here. But over the last year or so, my other half has decided she wants to move. The problem with it is I kind of built it to be permanent. So I can't really take it down in sort of panels and move it. So what I'm going to do is strip it down, take it completely apart, and then because about a year ago I started watching How to Train Your Pigeon with Daniel on his channel. I'll put the link in the description below. Brilliant videos he does on pigeon racing. I decided I might try pigeon racing. My background with birds has mainly been caged birds, and with my wife, and we're still going to keep the caged birds. In fact, I'm going to build her a brand new, bigger bird room at the new address. Probably twice the length for this one, bit narrower with a large aviary on. But this one I'm going to take down, and then with the wood build panels for a pigeon loft. Panels that are about 6 foot by 7 foot that I can actually transport easier. I'm obviously not going to do a video of me just taking it down. I'll take photographs and put that up as I go. I might actually put photographs of me building it first of all, and then I'll put photographs of me taking it down. So that's kind of the situation. I'll have a little look inside. Okay. Okay. I've already taken up the laminating floor that I had. I'm going to keep that. That'll be used in. My plans to build 18 foot by 6 foot free sectioned loft with another 6 foot on the end as a sort of man cave storage area. As far as pigeons go, these are the only 2 pigeons. In fact, they're the only 2 of my birds I've got left. They're a pair of capuchin, old Dutch capuchin fancy pigeons. This is Philip. He's the male, or cock I should say, and here's the hen, Elizabeth. They've bred a few young this year, and I've been lucky enough to move them on. They're quite good. They're really good parents. So they will actually be put into a smaller aviary in the other bird room while I take this down. Fortunately, I've got a couple of weeks off of work this month, so I can do this. Okay. Well, I forgot to take any photos of me taking it down anymore, but that's it now. It's gone. Bird room's gone. I'll now go and show you what I was able to save. Well, unfortunately, I wasn't able to save everything I wanted to save, but I got a couple of sheets of ply. The ply on the roof was 9mm, and because I hadn't sealed the edges properly, it was rotten, so it's not worth saving. I have saved a few of these panels in the internal flights. This I built, it's going to be the aviary for the new, it was originally going to be for the temporary shed I've been putting up the pigeons in, but I think I might use it as a permanent aviary because it's quite nice, looks okay. And here's the wood and plastic I was able to save. The plastic cladding for inside, and mainly 4x2s and 3x2s, 6x2s. Wasn't able to save much of the cladding, the shiplap, because every time I sort of tried to take a piece off it split, so it ended up in taken apart, and my mate had it for burning his burner. Okay, so that's that. That's the end of the bird room. Next video I'll be putting up will be hopefully putting up the temporary accommodation for my stock birds, and then my stock birds going in. Okay, hope everyone has a good day. Take care now. Bye.